Warning, the video you are about to see is not a how-to. I do not own a torque wrench. Welcome to the Cobb Job Mod Shop. What's up and welcome. I hope you guys can stick with me as I get comfortable talking to myself and the camera. We're going to dive right into kind of an overview on what goes on around here and what projects we're working on, and then we'll get into the live action. So here's a little job we did last week. Right now we are in the Cobb Job Mod Shop. It's a mess because we are always working on fucking something. What we got right now is a TDI. We just straight piped it. So what we did here is took the muffler, packed it on a nice 45, and used it as a 7-inch tip. Let's see if we can get you a little sound clip here. Besides the point, what we have here is going to solve all our traction issues with the Duramax. It's got a G80 in it right now, and she likes lighting one tire fires. If you're like me, that shit's embarrassing. So I went ahead, ordered up this bad boy. Better diff for my truck. I plan to pull with it and drag race it and continue modifying it and all that good stuff. So this is one key piece to the puzzle. We're putting it in later this week. I'll catch up with you there. Hey boys and girls, it is Thursday afternoon. We are in line at the bank. I'm picking up some cash so we can go pick up a little marketplace find. It's a turbo. Give you a little hint there. We just went and picked it up. This is a Danville Performance Stage 2 63.5. It's got a billet wheel. I got a good deal on it. There are a couple things I didn't like. Like, it looks like this has been welded or heated. Either way, I'm not going to use that back housing just because I don't feel like messing with all of the bolts that come along with that. So I'll probably just change the front. And eventually when we do the up pipes and manifolds, down pipe, we'll probably be going to a bigger charger anyway, because by that time we'll have the head studs and the injectors. In this clip here, you're going to see me struggling a little bit to get the front housing off. It does have like an oily residue built up, and I'd like to get the cover off to just clean it up, maybe try to powder coat it. We just arrived at my girlfriend's father's garage, who he's nice enough to let me use. Boys and girls, here we are. Gonna be getting the fire going here because it's probably about 20 degrees where I live. I'm gonna straighten this place up a little bit, get everything opened up. Top side creeper, but this thing usually works pretty well for me. Didn't pop the hood. Idiot. Like old Freed Diesel would say, idiot. I'm an idiot. Turn the heat out, bud. What are you doing? Lock it up. Try this again. All right, you folks ready for this? Bam. I think Jared finally made it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's up, Bush?
What's up, player? How we doing?
Jared.
How we doing?
This is Jared's taco. He's got a little lift on it. He's got some shocks, wheels, and tires.
We got some Fox Resi boys in the rear.
Oh,
right here.
reservoirs.
MBRP, catback exhaust.
Oh, yes.
About, I'd say 10 minutes into the project here. Just Scott's in the midst of taking his turbo horn off.
It's probably the worst part because these bolts are not easy to get to at all. If you've ever done it, you know. We got the stock turbo horn out, and as you can see, this one significantly larger. It's gonna flow way more air. At this point, Jared's pulling the drain bolts. Johnny and Ant showed up, and they're on the sandblaster in the paint department. And we were getting things done, and the beer started flowing. We called it quits for the night, and I checked in the next day, and I was by myself. I didn't film much, but the turbo's in, and she's screaming, boys. A minute here till we cross over into Mexico, and yep, we're over the border. Tons of smoke.